Jared with Duct Brothers Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, where we are number one in the number two business. Thanks for tuning in today. We're back at the job site we were at in part one video. We're going to be doing some cleanup down here. One of the first things we're going to be doing is we're going to rehook up this condensate line with some cable clamps that fit around it. Reason why I like to use these cable clamps is it just looks a lot neater than using Holy strap. So thanks again, and let's go ahead and get started. That taken care of. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'll be pulling out the filter for this furnace and AC. This is an electronic filter, and here for the furnace to make sure the electronics are off. So we'll go ahead and make sure it's off. On these electronic filters, that is where our disconnect is. If you want your furnace to last a long time, change the filter. That's what's protecting your home, and that's what's helping stop the spread of dust, debris. It's going to lessen the likelihood of you getting sick, etc. It's just another step to help increase the IAQ, or the indoor air quality that you have. This is air that you're breathing in, that you're using in your home on a daily basis. Your home should be your sanctuary where you feel safe. I'm all for using whatever you can to make you feel clean. So for me, as long as you're changing it once a month, whether it's electronic or regular, but as long as you're combining it with other things, like I said, that UV light, or even, you know, a MER filter or something like that, you know, I'd say, hey, absolutely. So definitely use what you can for IAQ to make sure that your house is protected against, you know, dirt, debris, pet dander, odor. Good operating condition. As you want a fresh smelling house, what's the best way to do it? I say go with this. And what it is just a regular Glad spray that you can get for filters. It's great. It helps the house smell good. But one thing that you can do wrong is spray it, throw it back in, turn it on. You don't want to do that. You want to let it dry. You want to let it dry before we put it back in. That's all stuff that you're breathing. So it's just the user manual, and it's the manufacturer's recommendations. You want to turn to the actual maintenance on this particular model. It's 7. They're usually pretty standard what they have listed in here. We like to do a little bit more. One of the things we like to do is first thing cycle, we like to do the exact same thing that they say. So you want to check your flame. You want to make sure that the color is what it's supposed to be. It should have light blue with a little bit of orange in there. You should have no corrosion on any of the electrical wiring. The inducer motor should be free of debris, should be kind of clean generally in here. You want to make sure that all of the electrical connections, which is usually the first thing I do, are all secure. Done here. We've got the first completely tuned up. We got the cleanup taken care of. We've got the condensate line secured. Everything is ran, and we left the space cleaner than when we first arrived, and that's what's definitely most important. So thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video or you just feel like it, please give us a like, hit that thumbs up below, and subscribe. All right, we'll see you guys at the next job site.